Elin Davis. I'm working on my first poetry collection here. I'm from Tonopandi in the Rhondda.
Iwan Hughes dwi, a dwi wrthi'n gweithio ar nofel fantasy.
I'm Kath Barton and I live in Abergavenny, and I'm working on a collection of short stories which are all based on the paintings and drawings of the Renaissance artist Hieronymus Bosch.
Eiros dwi'n dod o Gaerdydd yn wreiddiol, ond yn byw yn Sir Fôn nawr. Dwi wrthi'n gweithio ar nofel fantasy.
My name is Bryony Collins. I'm from Bangor and I'm working on a novel called Raise Them Up about African American civil rights.
William Gwyn dwi'n dod o Sir Fôn yn wreiddiol ond yn byw yn Caerdydd ers 10 mlynedd. Dwi'n gweithio ar nofel Saesneg o'r enw Blue Bag. Dwi wedi sgwennu dim ond 5,000 eiriau hyd yma, ond yn defnyddio'r wsos yma i ddatblygu'r gwaith ymhellach a i well mae'r stori mynd a dweud y gwir, ac i feithrin y grefft, of course.
Hello, I'm Jemima Roberts and I'm working at the moment on a collection of poems towards my first collection.
Enw fi yw Rhiannon Lloyd-Williams, roedd fi'n dod o Gaerdydd a i fi'n gweithio ar nofel i bobl ifanc sy'n ffurflen wyddonol, gobeithio.
It's been really inspiring, I think, to hear the work of other people as well as getting feedback on my own. It's definitely been encouraging.
Dwi'n gweithio cael blas ar wahanol ffyrdd sgwennu, cael arweiniad ar yng ngwaith yn hun a cael syniadau newydd a cyngor gan awduron profiadol.
It's been great actually, it's a real treat for me personally. I'm a mum to a small boy, I get time away to write, read, and also the generosity of the tutors has been fabulous.
Mae'r cwrs wedi rhoi cyfle i mi, wel, di rhoi amser i mi digwydd i weithio ar hwn, chos mae amser di mynd yn rhywbeth eitha prin.
The best thing about this week at Tea Newydd is meeting my fellow mentees. Because we're all on our separate journeys, but we're going to be a support group, I'm sure.
Fi'n gobeithio cael allan o'r wythnos yma ymynedd i sgwennu nofel gyfan, a just arweiniad yn biti sut i lunio nofel i bobl ifanc.
This week has been amazing. It's given me an opportunity to write and to work with other poets.
It's beautiful, it's lovely. A newfound love affair with North Wales, I think.
Mae o'n hyfryd, dwi wedi bod yma'r blaen, yn mawr syndod, dwi'n bod sut wedi llwyddo i fethu'r lle yn y gorffennol, ond mae'r awyrgylch yn hymddenol iawn a mae'n ddigon o lefydd tawel i sgwennu ac i hel meddyliau.
It's great because it's got everything. There's the spaces to write, there's the resources, the library, there's the camaraderie around the meal times, and yeah, beautiful, beautiful place.
I think Tea Newydd is an amazingly calm place where you can just gather inspiration.
Dyma'n tro cyntaf i mi rioed dod o'r gwrs preswyl yma ac aros dros nos. Mae'n rhywbeth arbennig iawn am y lle.
I think Tea Newydd is an amazing place. The surroundings are beautiful and just having the time to write is something really special.
Mae Tea Newydd yn hyfryd, mae'n le gwych i sgwennu, golygfeydd braf iawn, lle tawel a neis.
It's a great place to come. It draws out this inspiration within you, just the grounds itself work on you as a writer.